Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Bliss in the house. I'm bringing back to you another super short review. Today's product is going to be on Toji. Yes, tulips. Toji or Tohi or Taji. I'm not really sure how you pronounce it. But basically what this is an oil that's going to help promote hair growth. So this is my problem area that I'm pointing to. You see how my sideburns are a little bit fuller there, but then on my other side it's a little bit thinner there. And then of course my baby hairs or my edges, I want to get that thicker, and just my hair in general. A little bit about Toji. It is an essential hair oil treatment to help promote natural hair growth oil. It is designed to help you get fuller, shinier, and stronger hair. This product is great for both women and men. This product does consist of a blend of 9 oils. So you got this. This is the container. You know I love that type of top because it allows you to be able to suction up some of the products inside and just apply it directly to your scalp. So that's why I'm so in love with the top. Okay. So y'all, this smells amazing. It's like a lemony cake. It's tremendous. I just truly love it. So I'm going in and I am applying it directly to where I want to apply it, mainly my problem areas here. Now some of my hair have grown back there over time, but it's been extremely slow. So I'm hoping this product can really boost the hair growth process. So back to Toji hair growth oil, the 9-ingredient blend for comprehensive support. So it's going to provide follicle support, hormonal support, and circulation support. So circulation is very key to getting that blood flow to the scalp to help promote hair growth. You guys, this oil is just amazing. I just really love being able to go in between the hair and direct to my scalp and apply the product. Okay. FYI, you guys, if it matters to you, this product is made in the good old USA. I don't know if you guys can really tell how light this oil is. It is not heavy at all. It is extremely thin. So if you have low porosity hair, this product will probably be great for you because it's not going to weigh your hair down. Y'all, let me share with you what Toji's mission is: to create the best natural products to empower health and self-confidence for society. Y'all, that's absolutely amazing. Also, let me just tell you that Toji has a line of products. They also have vitamin supplements for hair growth. They have shampoo and conditioner. In addition to, of course, the hair oil that I'm using today. Okay. The oils that are in this product is virgin argan oil, pure jojoba oil, apricot, vitamin E, avocado, sweet almond, pumpkin seed, hemp seed, grape seed oil. So a blend of great oils. This product cost me $12.59. You can find it on Amazon. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches. Mwah.